Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2016 66 plate Nissan Qashqai Acenta. Now this vehicle is finished in the lovely black metallic paintwork, which is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Now the Acenta comes very well specified from the factory, so you get lots of nice gadgets inside. We're riding on those lovely larger alloy wheels. So those are 5 twin spoke alloys, 17-inch, finished in a lovely sparkled silver. We've got bright silver window surrounds, we've got bright silver on the centre grille, on your lower fog lamp surrounds, we've got daytime running lights, and then coming through to the interior, inside is a full ebony black cloth sports seat. So these seats, doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, no signs of any sort of rips or tears on the seats, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets. Quickly looking through to the rear, in the back we've got Isofix for our child seats, we've got a central armrest with 2 cup holders, we've got a bit of storage down the centre there as well. Looking through to the boot, nice big boots on these, lots of luggage space. So you've got the split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. We've got our parcel shelf, you've got added storage down there, as well as a tyre inflation kit. And then jumping inside, getting out of this wind. Once you're inside, nice fit and finish. So we've got lots of metallic black detailing inside, we've got leather on the steering wheel, so it's a bright silver effect detailing as well. Now spec wise, we've got our park folding electric mirrors, we've got 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, cruise control, speed limiter, we've got our volume media controls, automatic wipers as well as automatic lights. And as we're doing the video, this is a 66 plate which has only covered 24,962 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. So a very low mileage example. You've got satellite navigation capabilities. We've got the reversing camera on this vehicle as well, so stick it into reverse and the guidance lines pop up. You've got your Bluetooth phone, which is nice and easy to connect to. You've got your full DAB radio with all the extended channels. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Electric parking brake, 6-speed manual transmission, central cup holders, lots of central storage. So as you can tell, we've got a storage cubby there, we've got our aux and USB and a 12-volt power outlet found within there as well. But a nice car. You can tell it's been well cared for by the previous keeper. If you'd like any further information on the vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. But again, thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.